In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can do the traditional dead bug exercise using resistance bands. The first one I'm going to show you, I've got a pull-up assist style band anchored a couple feet off the floor. You can use any style of band for this. So you're going to lay down and come out so that when your arm is straight up, you've got a little bit of tension. And bring your legs up with your knees bent, your other arm up, and as you're actively pushing that way with the band, you're going to lower the other arm and the opposite leg down to the floor. You want to maintain the natural curve in your low back throughout this. You're not thinking that you're totally pushing it into the floor, but you're not letting it overly arch either. Just keep it natural. And doing that, you'll really feel your abs engage. Or you can hold the band with two hands and alternate, lowering each leg. And I'm still pulling that way with the band. So this will actually engage your lats a little bit as well. Another way you can do this is to take a loop band and put it around your feet and then come down and do your traditional dead bug like this. So this will bring the hip flexors into this movement a little bit more. You can also do it with your arm in the band as well. So again, now I'm just doing one side at a time. Switch to the other side. Still pressing that way on the band and holding it with both hands and alternating legs. Feel free to play around with all those different variations and do the one that you like the best. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.